Grrr, grrr. Nice birdie. Hi birdie, Mynah bird. Hello, hello Mynah bird. Nice birdie. Yeah, can teach you to talk, birdie? Don't go away. Come back. Nice birdie. Come on back here. Yes. You are not like the black crow. The black crow is an evil bird. Is a hantu, burung gagak itu burung hantu. Makan bangkai punya, makan sampah sarap punya itu. But you are a good bird, nice birdie. Come here. Mynah bird, good bird. Come birdie, come back, walk back here. Grrr, grrr, grrr. Walk back here, come. Come birdie, I can see you. Yes, birdie. Don't fly away, birdie. Because it's raining. It got wet, He got wet. Now he's drying himself. Oh, birdie, don't fly away. Good bird. Good birdie. Yeah, you stay there on the sill, okay? I can take you now. Yeah, don't fly away. It's all wet, drenched, heavy rain. Now he's drying himself. Sunbathing. Mynah bird, I know, can teach the bird to talk one. Very clever bird. Put him in a cage every day. You say, hello, how are you, man? The bird will repeat. It's like a parrot. He will repeat everything you tell him. He will repeat. Mynah bird can talk one. You can teach them to talk one. Parakeet, parrot, all can talk one. Open up your wings, dry your wings. That's what they all do lah. They're evil people. Upstairs one on the 15th floor, husband and wife. For one 10-year-old son, very evil people. Every day teach the son to step down on me, step on me. For more than past 1 year plus. Evil neighbors from bloody hell. Horrible. I don't know lah, more than 1 year plus already. Got to refer to the management. That's all I'm going to say. Leave it for investigation. Nice birdie. Nice birdie, What else do they want? Very horrible people. All recorded here now. Mynah, you didn't know what to do. This case is ongoing. Under investigation already. Giving me multiple threats. All sorts of threats. To harm me bodily, to even, fix me up, finish me off, that kind of thing. No evidence, they talk through the wall. From upstairs, they talk downwards. They talk through the microphone to my laptop. Horrible people. Then they install a webcam, install a webcam, install a camera eye to peep down into my unit. Yeah, got meaning, man. There's such laws that you cannot, there's intrusion of people's privacy, other people's privacy. That's against the law. That's a very serious offense. Oh boy, there he flew away already. Okay, bye bye. Right, we'll talk about this case some other time, alright? Okay.